All right, guys, I was browsing Reddit and saw a post from this dude. Guy was super bummed. New longboard that he bought, snapped it in half surfing Huntington Beach. Actually, wasn't even trying to fix it. He was just posting it to vent a little bit to the online surf community on Reddit. I actually posted a comment and said something like, if this comment gets 100 likes, I'll fix your board for free. The comment didn't get 100 likes, but I still gave him a good deal. Enjoy the video. If you like what you see.
This is the dead board. There's a favorite kid in my family, man.
Okay. This is it.
This was it.
This is the golden child.
Yeah, perfect for there. And so
Single fin, Sakal.
And then went out there and it was perfect for 3 days, and then I snapped it. So
Okay. Well,
here we are.
let's throw it on the rack and see what we got going on.
Good. Do you have the other piece? Oh, great then. And for a second, I was worried. I was like, oh man, like we'll be able to save the color.
That's fantastic. So the only other thing I can say is I'm really thankful, man. All I did was show my snap board, and minutes later, right?
Like, oh, you can do this, We'll call it a deal and we'll get you in good shape, and you'll be back at Sando in no time.
Okay.
acetone does a good job of getting resinous. They say it's really good for your skin. Oh. Touch it for that. You want to scratch it up like that. This board to mount, so see how this goes. Boom. I just like when it's ooh. Ton of sand. Shut up.
Dude, perfect timing.
Good morning.
How you been?
This is awesome.
Check it out.
The whole thing is just going to be like trying not to re-pearl it.
No, yeah. Well, it's stronger than it was, so hopefully it won't like snap here.
At least not that easy.
In the middle.
Yeah.
Till next time. Shoots.